That's an empty road though. We gonna let that bitch eat. Two hands on the wheel at all times. Boy, that shit was trying to get away from a nigga. What's poppin', YouTube? We was trying something new today. I just went out and copped some new shit. A little GoPro, so we finna test out this whole POV shit. This shit feels so fucking weird, bruh. Nigga, nigga got a camera on this shit. Hold up, break this motherfucker in. Yo.
I will always love you how I do. Let go of a prayer for you. Just a sweet word.
Slide that turn. Nah, I ain't even gonna do it, twin. Punch that bit though. Wet outside, so nigga been losing traction and shit. Using them big Brimbos. It's wet as hell, y'all, so I really can't cut up, no do none of that right now. Nigga don't even feel safe sliding corners, I'm good. When you driving a rear wheel vehicle like this, man, it may look crazy how I'm doing all this type of shit, but I'm telling you, that shit get away from you so damn fast. You gotta stay ready. Like, that's not me exaggerating. That's the car like trying to go goddamn sideways. Plus this bitch is an eco. It's been raining, so shit, I'm not even finna take no type of chances sliding off the damn road. That was a nice little 5.0 Mustang, but you see we driving around in the city of Pensacola. Nice, you see the peanut butter interior and shit. Yeah, hope y'all fuck with this type of content. We're gonna try to push some more out. I'm not even finna play by this guardrail. Should be able to take this road down to get home. Cut up. Swimmer. That's a little baby swim. Little baby swim. Oof. Yeah, I should be able to take this bitch straight home. Think so. Let a nigga swim. Let a nigga swim. But nah, y'all, this is just a little chill POV. It's been raining today. I wish I would came out while it was raining, give y'all like a rainy POV. If it rained later, I'll do that. The ambient lights is coming in tomorrow, so I'm gonna be installing the ambient lights tomorrow. And we're gonna see what to do. Oh shit, Charlie gang. So I ain't even gonna do it. There's another Charlie right there if y'all can see in the rear view. Let that bitch eat. But now, as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can tell the dash, this shit is super wide, but my shit is finally at 12.5 miles per gallon. So I'm trying to get my shit up. That's why I'm really chilling today, just cruising. Yeah, so we coming up on the lows right now, so that means that might be a wrap for this video, but it's just a little, damn, that shit warped as a bitch. Let me know if y'all fucking with this Super 12U or y'all want me to use a 16mm, because as you can see, like, that shit, my shit look like goddamn silly bands. But I low-key fuck with this view. It's real tough. It's wide. Might take some adjusting and getting used to, but on the nighttime POV, especially when I get the ambient light in here and here done, that shit gonna be live. See, that shit almost got away. You gotta keep two hands on the steering wheel if you're gonna be really stabbing that shit. That shit almost got away just then. And that's with 275s on the back. I got 275s on the front and the rear. If my mother watches my content, I apologize. I'm being safe. And my dumb ass wasn't looking at the GPS, so I missed the turn. So we're gonna get up in this bit and pop a mean ass UE. Sure would. This look like some shit I ain't supposed to be at. What the fuck? Let me go ahead and spin up out of here, gang. Shit, what is it? Y'all want a little quick slide? Nah, hell nah. Not with cars there. I hear that big 6'4" though, boy. The tires are a little bit more dry now, so niggas can actually hit a decent speed. Boy, where is this shit taking me? This shit is taking me through the hood, gang. That's an empty road though. We gonna let that bitch eat. Two hands on the wheel at all times. Boy, that shit was trying to get away from a nigga. Yeah, I would not advise speeding through areas that may contain children running and playing, so I keep it pretty easy and light on the gas in the neighborhoods. Light all the way up. But you see, I only slide when there's nobody on the road. I don't really be doing that dangerous shit when there's people on the road. But you see that straight road, so you know what that means. Let it eat. And as you can see, I'm a relatively safe driver. I cut up when it's applicable. I'll punch it when it's applicable, but if it's any chance I can hurt myself for somebody, I stray away from that type of shit. That's just some dickhead ass shit. So as you can see, like, it's just a straight road. So, you know, I give it a little gas. Give it a little gas just every here and there, but yeah, if it's any potential to hurt anybody else, I try not to do that. The fun ain't worth it that much. Not worth my freedom or my life. And let me know if y'all fuck with the music POVs, because when it's raining, nigga low-key wanna, ooh, that nigga got a nice Charlie. When it's raining, niggas low-key wanna just play like some chill shit. Ugh. Let me get in this lane right here. My miles per gallon went down. But yeah, this is the first POV. I'm just fucking around with the goddamn 12 the 12mm shit. I might fuck with the 16. Oh, that nigga slowed down once he seen 12. Boy, y'all seeing that? Let me know if y'all like the 12. This is the 12mm right here on the GoPro setting, and then they got 16, which I think most traditional POVs is done on. It's def fuck with that. It's hot as a bitch. But you know what I'm saying, with the SRT, you get that goddamn ventilated seats. It's gonna feel like I pissed on myself in a second. These roads look real slick and wet, so I ain't even gonna punch it. I ain't even gonna cap. But I think that's gonna be it for this video, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, and we're gonna make some more content like this. Just POVs in my spare time in between the videos and shit, just to keep the shit mixed up, entertaining. Stay tuned for that, man. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all.
Oh, you on the road now? Oh, you grown now? Oh, you some grown now?